do? What's up? Kenna, a. What's Papa Lock and Curly Crew? Welcome back to another video, a sit down video. Thankfully, finally, I know I've been a little slacking as of lately, but I mean, it's life, girl. What can you do? So in today's video, we're going to be getting into blow drying my hair, my blow dry routine basically, but with a twist. So I'm going to be comparing two very popular dryers right now in the natural hair community and just in the regular hair community. So it's the Revair and the Dyson hair dryers that we're going to be comparing today. Before I go ahead and get into the video, if you are new to your channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe by joining the Curly Crew and clicking that subscribe button down below, because we would love to have you. Let me go grab the dryers. Whew. Okay, these things are not light. So I have both of the dryers, and this is the Dyson Supersonic dryer that we're going to be reviewing. Now, this is my first time ever trying the Supersonic. I got this NPR through Sephora Squad, so I was like, okay, a whole Supersonic? We love that. And I honestly didn't even know that the Supersonics were that popular until I saw the hype online, and I was like, oh wait, this is like a really most wanted type of hair dryer. How much this thing costs? God dang, y'all, this thing is $400, girl, without tax. So this thing is expensive, and the Revair is actually around that cost range as well. So for a hair dryer, baby, this thing better straighten my hair in a second, okay? Now the Revair I also got in PR, and this one, oh my gosh, y'all, I knew this one was $400 already because I've been using it for so long. I'm so reluctant to pick it up because it's so big, but this is what it came in, this huge box. And this one is also $400 as well. And actually the dryer itself, I just looked it up, is on sale for $349, and the whole kit is on sale for $399 right now. So wait a minute, the whole kit, girl, wait, the whole kit is regularly $521. Oh my gosh. I mean, car note on a hair dryer, I mean, if you got it like that. But so this is what the Revair looks like, and it's so big, y'all. It's huge. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you, this dryer is so big. So I'm really excited to try this Dyson because of this attachment. I've heard a lot of things about you just being able to comb through your hair, and I'm really doing this comparison for our girls with the thick hair, okay? Because I know I've seen a lot of reviews with people who just don't have my type of hair, and I'm like, but do it work on thick hair though? Do it work on thick hair though? But I really do love this pink pop of color. Oh, she is giving life, honey. So this dryer is going to be more like the one with the comb extensions, and it's like an outward type of blow drying your hair, whereas this one is invert type of blow drying, where it's kind of reverse. So it's reverse blow drying, where you're putting your hair in this hole and then it's going to literally like blow dry it out and come out straight. So you put it in curly and wet and it comes out dry and straight, okay? I'm not going to get too much in depth about the different attachments. You guys can like go online and see the different attachments that it comes with in detail. I'm just going to get right into my blow dry routine and also using this. So I'm going to do one on each side basically, just so we can see the difference. What I'm going to be applying is this IC Fantasia. I literally got this from the beauty supply store today, y'all. It's a hair polisher, heat protector, serum. So it's the serum and then also the styling cream. So these two combined, I'm going to apply the cream first and then the serum afterwards, and just see how this compares and if it actually provides my hair with more moisture and shine. Because whenever I blow dry my hair out with just the leave-in conditioner and then towel drying it afterwards, then blow drying, my hair was still very like, it just wasn't moisturized at all. So the cream, the cream. And this is for heat styling, so it helps with heat protecting. Then I'll go in with some of the serum. Hopefully this does give me some shine. They both smell really good too. All right, so let's go in with the Dyson, and I'm gonna do the second heat setting with the high speed. It's hot. Okay, but do y'all y'all, that was like 5 seconds. It's not fully done, but wow. I am honestly shook by just like how quick it blow dry my hair out. Like, this thing is crazy, and it wasn't even on the hottest temperature. Baby. Okay, I noticed the competition. I mean, we just gonna have to see who gonna win, who gonna come out on top in the end. But I kind of got a feeling. Now, off the back, I will say my ends are not as straight, but I'm gonna do this much on this side with the Revair, and we're gonna literally compare. Okay, now up next, y'all, picking up this Revair literally makes me so upset. You gotta carry this whole thing around whenever you're using the Revair. Like, it's just so big and bulky, and anyone who has a Revair like literally understands where I'm coming from. No shade to Revair, it's a bomb invention, but like, it's just so bulky. So the way you turn this one on, you literally flip the switch in the inside right there, and then you have 3 different heat settings. Well, 2 different. You have high speed, and then you have your temperature controls right here. Okay, that was literally one pass with the Revair for like maybe a minute, and you can see like the Revair just gets the hair straighter in my opinion. Like, look at how it's not even fully dry yet, but just look at how much more straighter it is than with this side. I feel like it's just, I don't know, I just feel like this one gets it more elongated. So let's get it fully dry. Okay, so fully finished on this side with this section, and just you guys can really see the direct comparison of how this side is just a much sleeker blow dry, whereas this one I feel like I may have to go in some more and try to get it straight, but it's kind of hard to get it this straight with just like this this type of blow dryer. To me, it's giving like blown out. It's not giving like blown out and almost straightened. Like, this is giving like a step from being straightened, whereas this is giving like 3-4 steps from being straightened. You know what I mean? So, but this is so much sleeker. It's just like, it just makes sense. Like, this big old thing for the Revair, it just doesn't make sense to me size wise, but the technology is the truth. Okay, I guess both of them, as far as time, they are about what and what. The Revair just seems to be longer because like that heat is just on your scalp, but the Dyson just seems to be quicker because you don't have like you have control of where the heat is distributed. So that's what I'm getting right now. Okay, I just went through it one more pass of the Dyson, and it's giving what to what. It is. It's giving what to what now. Maybe I just didn't let it dry all the way, or maybe it reverted a little bit. I'm not sure, but this one's still straighter though. I ain't gonna hold you. Also, another quick comparison. With this one, you just put it in there and wait, whereas with this one, you gotta like put in the work. So it's like, what do you have time for type of thing? Like, do you want to be doing this all day, or do you just want to wait? But it's big, it's bulky. I don't know. So y'all, here we are in the end with both sides fully blow dried. And let me know in the comments right now, okay? This is Dyson side, this is Revair side. What side do y'all like just off of seeing it right now? So let me go through my pros and my cons to give y'all the real tea on how this whole experience was, and then we're going to get into which one was my favorite. Let's talk about Miss Dyson. So Dyson, this is my first time using the Dyson, and I will say I do see where the hype of this blow dryer comes from. It most definitely does give you a quick blow dry, and it also comes with multiple different attachments to it as well. So you can use the brush attachment, which I know us natural girls do love, or you can use the regular blow dry, or like the one to really get the roots flat. Apparently there's so many different attachments. Also, it's really cool because it's very sleek, it's small, it's very travel size-esque, and that's what we love as well. Something that does not take up a lot of space. Also, the look of it is very, very cute. I also believe they have different colors in this Dyson as well, so that's also a pro. So it has a lot of pros. As far as the actual blow drying process, I do feel like the Revair kind of got my hair more sleek, more straight than the Dyson. I also feel like I had to do a lot of passes with the Dyson, and y'all, the Dyson gets so hot. Like, it gets very, very hot, and I literally only use it on the first and second heat levels. I didn't even try to do the third heat level because like the second one was literally hot as heck, okay? But overall, as if I would rate this, I would rate it a 6 out of 10. Well, for starters, let me start by saying I would never pay this much for a blow dryer myself, so the price is a 1 out of 10 for me, okay? I would never. So I got these both in PR, and they knew to send it to me because baby, it was not gonna be touching these fingers if it did not come to me in PR. I'm just being honest, okay? But like, now that I have them, I would rate this one a 6 or 7 out of 10, I would say, just because I do have to do more work, and it's also very hot, and I don't feel like it gets me that nice sleek blow dry that I personally like, okay? You may not like a sleek blow dry, and that's your business. Now let's talk about Miss Chunky Dory Revair. Hold on, let me, okay. So overall, y'all, the Revair, let me give you the pros. So the pros is you are going to get a more sleek blow dry, you're going to get a quicker blow dry, and you're going to get a blow dry that requires minimal effort. Literally minimal effort, okay? So that by itself, I just feel like really appeals to most people. And you also get a really cool technology as well. Like, come on, this is you have to say you've never seen nothing like this before the Revair came around. Like, this is the first of its kind. I really do love my Revair. I just hate the size of it. The size is literally the biggest con to me. Like, why is it so big? Why is it so heavy? Like, you cannot carry this anywhere. This is a at-home blow dryer, okay? But if I had to pick, y'all, if I had to pick which one I love the most, I would have to go with I gotta go with the Revair. I'm sorry, I just do. Like, I think I would use the Revair more, just because of how straight it gets my blow dry. But if I'm traveling, this Dyson is coming with me, and the Dyson also has multiple attachments like a diffuser, so us curly girls could also use that as well. So it kind of just depends on what you're shopping for, really. Let me know in the comments what side y'all are messing with. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you are new to your girl's channel, go ahead and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video, girl. Peace.